Every time we check in with you, it's something new.
Hey, Kim, I'm on a bike. Take a look. It's foldable, though, and electric. Katie, what was I just on?
You were just on the Urtopia Carbon Fold 1, a 29-pound e-bike that is foldable, really transportable. It's got several modes, so you can use it as an e-bike, but you can also use it as just a regular bike if you want to get, say, a workout in.
Yeah, did you mention that it weighs about 29 pounds?
29 pounds.
Yeah.
So really easy to be on the go. So say you have to be on the metro, then you have to be on a bike, then you have to be walking. You don't want to be carrying a big bulky bike. So this is just really easy to kind of hold.
I could have my Gucci on, I could wear my Louis Vuitton, but you were wearing nothing on. But I made you look, I made you look. I make you double take, so as I walk away, call up the carry doctor just in case your neck break. Tell me what you gonna do? Somebody make us